Hi friends, my name is Rohan Bharachandra. Today's video is about 12 out of 17 sectors on correction mode. NSE has sectoral indices to help investors track the performance of various sectors. For example, some of the main sectors are Nifty Bank, Nifty IT, Nifty FMCG, Nifty Infrastructure, Nifty Auto, Nifty Energy and Nifty Pharma. Apart from this, there are many other sectoral indices. An index or a stock is said to be in correction phase when it has fallen by more than 10% and less than 20% from its recent high. A fall of 20% or more is called a bear phase for the index or a stock. Many of the sectoral indices have already entered correction phase and some of them may soon enter the bear phase. The following is the performance of various sectoral indices from their all-time high. Fall from all-time high. Nifty Media, actually the all-time high was in 16 January 2018. After that it has not reached that level, but from that level it is 48% down. Nifty Realty, 2nd May 2008 was the all-time high. You can imagine what kind of correction has happened from that particular period. 17% down from that particular level. Nifty Energy, date of all-time high 1st August 2024, it is 15% down approximately. Nifty Auto, 27 September 2024 was all-time high and 14% down. Nifty Central Public Sector Enterprises, 1st August was the all-time high, now 14% down. Nifty Public Sector Enterprises, 1st August 2024, 14% down. Then Nifty India Consumption, 27 September 2024 was the all-time high and from the all-time high 13% down. Nifty FMCG, 23rd September 2024 all-time high and now 13% down. Nifty Commodities, 30th September 2024 all-time high and percentage down from all-time high is 12%. Nifty FMCG 11% down. Nifty Infrastructure around 11% down. Nifty Metal around 11% down. Nifty Pharma 7% down. Nifty Services Sector 6% down from the all-time high. And then Nifty Financial Services 5% down. Nifty Bank 5% down. And Nifty IT approximately 3% down from the all-time high, and most of the indices the all-time high was in September end. Performance of overall market. Nifty 27 September 2024 was the all-time high, recent all-time high, and around 9% down from all-time high. Nifty Mid Cap 100 9% down from all-time high. Nifty Small Cap 100 approximately 8% down. As you can see, 12 out of 17 Nifty sector indices are in correction mode. The remaining sectors are also down between 3 to 7% and may fall to correction stage if there is some more fall in the coming days. Consumer facing sectors are experiencing slowdown during the recently concluded quarter, while banking stocks with exposure to unsecured credit are also beginning to show signs of stress, or actually their results have been very poor. The significant fall in Indian markets since September end is mainly due to the continuous FII selling. Of course, this correction was expected since markets had rallied well for almost 1 year since October 2023. The weak quarterly results of majority of the companies has encouraged selling by FIIs to book profits and invest in other global stock markets like China. This is not the time to panic. This is the time to be mentally strong and invest more for long term, provided you know how to do fundamental analysis and how to select good stocks and mutual funds. Even if you don't have any money, then you can just observe the markets and do SIP or SEP as far as possible, but don't need to sell unless your stocks are extremely weak and they are not fundamentally strong. As per analysts, market could face time and price correction next year too. So markets could be weak or very flat next year. So stay patient and invest for long term only. Do not get tempted by attractive YouTube videos claiming to make you rich very quickly. You will lose your hard-earned money in such F&O and intraday trading. This will cause financial problems for yourself and for family. Please be careful and be mature with your investments. If you like this video, please click the like button. And in the SEBI statistics which was announced recently, 93% of individual traders incurred losses in F&O between 2022 and 2024. Why do you think people still want to trade F&O after having such bad statistics where most people are unsuccessful and are making losses? Type 1 or 2 sentences in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye and all the best.